How to draw kawaii girl sketch easily. So as you can see, I have put a rectangle here. Smoothen the edges, add a curve. Next step what you need to do here is extend this line. The next step you need to do here, draw a curve which connects these both lines. Now join this line. After this, add lines, semicircle. Then we are gonna work on the body now. The shoulders should be drawn first. Then draw parallel lines. If you get this much right, the next step is very easy. Follow my lead. From this midpoint, join this line, and similarly on the other side, put a dot, add two loops, and form a knot. Next, you need to do is draw two straight lines, and now the variation. Inside this x, put 2x, add dots next to the end of the x. Next, we'll draw the frog. After this, join these two ends. Draw two parallel lines. Now draw cross lines. And similarly from the other side, join this point and this point. Join the opposite points. Now form two semicircles which act as leg, and right below them triangle shapes. Once we are done with that, now focus on the hair and the arms. So join these 2 points, this point and this point. Immediately join these 2 points. Next we need to do is put a crown. So to put a crown, draw a line, draw two parallel lines. Here you need to put a triangle, or instead of a triangle put word W. Then join these 2 points and put a circle here. We'll now focus on the face. Draw two circles here, the point where this line meets this line, this line meets this line. Similarly with this gap, draw a circle here. Draw eyebrow, two small line. Next, inside this big circle, draw two small circles. Similarly, draw here. Shade the remaining part of the circle. Draw eyebrow. Draw a smile. The last step you need to do here is put the hair once you are done. Erase the remaining part. Put a proper outline around the face. And that's how you draw a kawaii girl. Thank you.